What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another review, but this time I'm proud to bring to you my review of the black powder gins, because I've been waiting a long time to try them out. They're a very local company that's very near to me, because I'm not going to say where they are. But if you want to check out black powder gin, they are based around Wheatonbanks. If you ever do pre-sold farm, if you ever wish to check out these guys. So they are a multi-award winning gin, because they've had many winning gins, especially like the Navy Strength, and I can't wait to try it out. So the gin I've got from Black Powder Gin is the Blood Orange Gin. So I got this Blood Orange Gin on the 17th of April on a Saturday. Because Black Powder Gin do not open up on a Saturday, but he did just for me after I messaged him. Because as he was very kind enough, he's very kind enough to open up just to pop in, because he didn't mind, and that shows you what a good business they are, because they opened up and they gave me a little tour of the operation as well on pre-sold farm. It's very fascinating. Watch how they produce it. They're talking me through it, how they do it in the distillery, how they put it away. Like they got the flavours in the distillery in the pot alone, because they're not mixing it, you can just change it. It's very fascinating. I'd love to get into it properly. Because the production of how gin's produced, and also the lake of all the ingredients that they're grown inside. Because not all of them they can grow inside, like the Blood Orange got import, but this is a Blood Orange gin. It's £36, and I can't wait to taste it. Because you didn't have to do this as well. It's because I got a free glass with it and a free pen, which is very nice of him as well. Because so a big shout out to Tony from Black Powder Gin. Can't praise him enough. And here is the glass. But if you wish to check out the events, they do hold them at pre-sold farm over the summer, but they are unfortunately already sold out. So it's unfortunate, because it shows you it's got a lot of demand over summer. So hopefully they will have some more events. But this is my first time of tasting black powder gin. I've been waiting to do it for a long time. I know they do supply it locally over the Fylde region, as I've been asking a few colleagues of mine and also friends, as they highly recommend it as well, as they've tasted black powder gin. So I will make a video on this. How does it taste? But, today's cocktail, guys, it's going to be a classic G&T. So it's going to be a blood orange gin and tonic. So I know for the blood orange gin, it takes about 4 months to mature. That's what Tony was telling me.
Takes a long time.
It does, not as long as whiskey like that, but 4 months is still
a long time.
Yeah, let's put them in barrels and leave it to mature.
It's a nice glass there.
It is, it's a nice really design nice of the...
Big shout out to Tony there, providing it free of charge as well for
this
review really video.
Do
so
that,
thank you very much.
Fantastic.
For providing that. Very kind. Going the extra mile, which is what we like to see.
That's local business, small business. So if you do have a chance to buy from them, I do recommend.
I think it showcases the need and desires of providing support for local businesses as well.
Yeah, which they've done great over the lockdown as well. I know the last one in March doing like their hand sanitisers to police in the hospital.
Yeah. Fantastic.
The future was very uncertain back last year in 2020 for a lot of small businesses.
Hopefully the hospitality sector opening up very soon.
Oh yeah, hopefully we're going to lockdown from.
No smell.
Yeah, blood orange gin.
Well, that's very tangy.
Ah yes.
Yeah.
Right, yeah, quality gin. I can't taste. I won't make my own presumption on it.
You have to have a try of the gin first.
We could do a little taste test. We'll get our shot glasses. One thing people don't take into account though is the manpower behind producing gin. Like you said, it's a very fascinating job, but a lot of labour involved. So let's taste it straight up. Because it's a nice design glass. Because £36 it was. Because there is some cheaper gins, £30, but for a quality gin, you pay £30.
Can't live in. Cute.
I'll give you the tasting notes.
Very tangy. You're my mixology expert, I'll let you comment further if I'm honest.
Beautiful, absolutely. Yeah, like I said, it's very tangy, it's very smooth as well. It's not overpowering, it's certainly smooth as well, it's not weak.
Yeah.
You can taste the blood orange, because I wouldn't quite tell them where they import from, because I'm not going to ask them anyway. So it's not something you can grow locally in the UK, blood orange.
No. No.
Well, that's nice. Very, very smooth. That's a quality gin.
Mm-hmm.
To me, that's absolutely beautiful.
It's nice.
It is. I can't wait to taste it with the tonics, because that is the quality of a gin when it tastes. Hopefully it will smooth out with the tonic. Smooth it out.
Drink responsibly.
9 out of 10 I'd give it. It tastes alone, the design's very nice. It's a quality gin. That's what we're looking for. That's what they look for as well, Black Powder Gin. A quality gin, then they will not settle for anything less.
I'm not a gin expert, so I'm not in a position to comment. I can just comment
on
texture and look, and it tastes tangy. Tasted very tangy and very sweet. It tasted like something that's very drinkable. Yeah. So yeah, I'd probably
you can taste the blood orange with the gin. That's what I like. It's perfect, 50-50. It's beautiful.
Yeah. Decent. Cool.
For my G&T, guys, I'm going to make a 1-2. So it's going to be a 1 part of gin and 2 parts of tonic water. I usually pour the gin in first. So let's get our jigger.
I'm enjoying just sitting here from a different angle and watching you do this.
So 6 ml. I'd say that's 1/3.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
With the ice,
yeah. So we'll go for 120 ml of tonic. You put in 120 ml, which is 4 ounces. I'm going to say for the 60 ml for an international audience, it is 2 ounces.
Smells very nice. Smells fruity.
Very fruity, but does it overpower? This is the true test of a gin with tonic. Alright, and now we'll give it a little taste test. Does it live up to its billing? Because hopefully I can taste the gin through the tonic.
I'll have a taste.
Again, it's beautiful.
Isn't it nice?
It is beautiful. It's not overpowering the tonic, you can certainly drink that.
That's nice.
It's nice though.
I don't like G&T, I don't like gin, but it's nice.
It is, you can taste it. That's the sign of a quality gin. You can taste the gin throughout the tonic water. It's not overpowering. That's what some people hate. It's why, like most people I know, it's why they go for lemonade, because the tonic water is just not too strong. And it's not fair for a tonic water, which is not. But that is absolutely cool. That is beautiful.
Decent. Quality gin.
It is a quality G&T as well. That's a quality gin. That's beautiful. But I'd recommend that. So a 1 to 2 parts. So you can do equal parts, because if you are a little bit stronger.
Yeah.
But it's certainly a taste of the Mediterranean. That is beautiful. Because it's a very, very smooth gin. You can taste it throughout the tonic water. Absolutely quality, and I would highly recommend this local business Black Powder Gin. They've certainly created a beautiful flavour in the blood orange gin. I can't wait to buy some more drinks. I can't wait to buy more gin from them. They also do rum as well, which is very interesting. So I might have to buy some of that and try that out, as that is absolutely quality. They do 24 different flavours of gin, so there it is.
What's to the taste?
There is a Navy Strength, is the award-winning one, so that's a nice one as well.
Yeah.
But I'm not tasting. Yeah, this is my first time of trying that Black Powder Gin, and I can't believe I waited 4 years to try them out. They've been on my doorstep all this time, and it's took me this long to finally visit them.
Get it slaughtered and have a drink.
It is, but for me, quality design. But you pay that bit more of a premium price, 36 quid or 30 quid for other gins that they have.
For quality.
For quality, yes.
Yeah. Cool.
And you pay, and you can notice the difference as well. That's absolutely quality. It's beautiful. A 9 out of 10, a 9 out of 10, maybe 9.5 out of 10. So it's close to perfect. Absolutely beautiful, and I cannot recommend it highly enough. And I do wish them the best of luck with the upcoming events at Pre-Soul Farm, and I wish them the very best. It's been very welcoming to me. And well, let's just say Black Powder Gin's hospitality was absolutely bob on. They didn't have to open up on Sunday, but they did just for me, because there's no inconvenience. But it's very nice of them. They gave us a free gin balloon glass to try it out on a free pen, which was very nice of them, and I can't recommend it enough. And they just tick all the boxes as well. Because that's what we want to see from a local business, and it's absolutely perfect. And hopefully hopefully I will be able to try one of the events as well. They are fully sold out, unfortunately, for this year, so
maybe next year.
Maybe next year, yeah.
Or cancellations.
Or cancellations if they do, but I'd certainly recommend them. I will leave a link just below if you wish to purchase from them yourselves, as they do online orders as well. But you can purchase from them in the week as well. Say from Prizzle Farm itself on Wheaton Barracks. So I will leave a link just below for them, as I would highly recommend them. It's a nice review. It's 9 out of 10 for me. It's absolutely a bob quality premium gin. So what do you think, JSGC? You're not even a gin lover.
No, but it's very nice. It's drinkable and it's very refreshing.
It is, and it's very smooth. It's quality.
Yeah, you can taste the quality there. And sometimes you pay for quality, don't you? It's not always best to get what's the cheapest out there. Sometimes it's better to pay a little bit more to get just that little bit better. And to me, I don't think this is a little bit better. It seems to be a lot better. A 9 out of 10 on a review video from us. I can't recall last time we gave a 9 out of 10.
No, we normally give 7 6s, but it's got 7 8. But I've got to say, it's
highly recommended.
Highly recommended, yeah. It's just some very smooth gin as well. I certainly recommend buying from them, and I will certainly be buying from a black powder gin again. And I can see why they're eventually reaching out to Morrison's. So you might see this at one of your stores in Morrison's very, very soon.
Fantastic.
So it shows you they're going places. But that is the black powder gin review, the blood orange gin tea. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more reviews like this. I hope you enjoyed this. And also go over to JSGC as well and like and subscribe to him, as he's on the road to 17k. Because any love to him, as I do appreciate him coming on for the last 2 videos. It's been nice to have him on again for the first time in 2021. So it's been a very long time with lockdown to have him back.
We're back and we're here. We're here to get things rolling again. It's nice to see. Well, thanks for having me on.
Yeah, thank you for coming on. Because I really do recommend it as well. Thank you for taking me to Prizzle Farm.
No problem.
But that is the black powder gin review. I hope you do enjoy the video, and I will see you guys for the next cocktail video. Cheers.